Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to private Instagram following list. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged into your desired account. And I'm heading over to a different account. So once you're there, just head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then head over to the three lines on the top right. Now scroll down and here you will find the account privacy in the Who Can See Yours content section. Head over there. Now as you can see, it says when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following lists. Certain info on your profile such as your profile picture and username is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So turn it on and then your Instagram following list will be made private. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.